Hello to all our Nu Skin brand affiliates around the world. I'm so happy to be here with you for Empower You. My name is Jian Kim and I'm the Director of Customer Experience for Nu Skin Korea. I know I speak for our team when I say we truly do love Nu Skin customers and especially our incredible brand affiliate like you who do such an amazing job to support them. I'm so excited to share with you some insights and strategies that can help improve your customer acquisition and retention. Creating customer loyalty starts with sharing product that meets your customers' need and creating experience that exceed their expectations. Being customer obsessed isn't just a lofty ideal. It's crucial to help you meet your business goals. And we have an actual data that proves it. For example, in Velocity Sales Performance Plan, brand representatives with 10 active customers in their group are 2.3 times more likely to stay active with Nu Skin after 3 months. And that number increases all the way to 4 times retention after 6 months, 5 times retention after 12 months. It's remarkable and speak directly to the value of having loyal, active customers. Keeping 10 active customers isn't easy, but I think you will agree that finding new customers is even harder. Research confirms that the probability of selling to an existing customer is 60 to 70%, but the probability of selling to a new prospect is only 5 to 20%. That means focusing on your existing customers' needs so that they come back to repurchase products is far more effective than constantly finding new customers. Before we move on to some other details, let me tell you one more golden nugget you can take away, and that is that product subscription matter. In fact, they can make a big difference for your business. Product subscriber can add up to 13 times more total lifetime purchase volume than non-subscriber, but not every customer wants to also be a subscriber. So knowing and using all the tools and levers that make subscriptions so advantageous can really draw customers into the program. Whether through subscription, product recommendation, or simple friendship, putting your customer first isn't just fun and gratifying. It's also the most effective way to work toward your business goal. It's a Nu Skin way of doing business. And which is why I'm so excited to share with you the tools we've developed to support you on your journey to always be customer obsessed. First, let's listen to one of our brand affiliates tell us how being customer obsessed support their business. Here's Michaela Trillo from our Pacific region sharing their story about their focus on customers' need help change their business in exciting ways.
Why are consumers so important in building your organization? Without consumers, there is no business. They are the life of our business. We need to nourish our consumers, service, and follow up on their needs, whether for their healthier lifestyle or beauty. We believe customer service is a very important role in any business we are doing. Our customers are precious. They are not numbers to us. They are all diamonds, whether they order big or small. We treat the same with respect. It's all about their options and choices. I recommend they decide. The more customers we have in our group, the more potential for finding a future business leaders as well. We attract customers by being authentic. We use examples such as my husband's transformation, living a healthier lifestyle, and my beauty transformation after using Nu Skin products. We inspire people when we talk about our own results to create good energy and therefore curiosity, and they want to know more. Our story in the last 10 years about our priceless transformation has boosted our self-esteem, self-confidence, and belief. We attract many of our customers when we do our Facebook Lives. We naturally connect and give energy and authenticity when speaking about the products and our love to Nu Skin. The consumers or customer we call diamonds became our best friends that we nurtured since the beginning of our business. Their loyalty to my business means that they will recommend Nu Skin and products to their friends. This helps in building consumer base, including customers who purchase Nu Skin amazing products, innovative devices, and those with monthly subscriptions. With the help of social media, we adapt to the changes of doing a social demo, which have attracted new customers as well as welcoming back the old ones. We teach them the benefits of being loyal, being rewarded, and falling in love with the products. We also teach them and show them how they can maximize participation throughout the business opportunity. Thank you.
Isn't that so cool? It's incredible what can happen when you get customer obsessed and focus on what your customers need. When you create a complete experience that meets your customers' need, customers naturally want to come back and interact with you more, which is why one of our key values here at Nu Skin is to be customer obsessed. That means we carefully foster community and strong loyalty by crafting memorable experiences for customer delight. I recently read a book called The Power of Moment by Chip and Dennis. The book described the science behind customer experience design, what it typically calls CX design. One of my key takeaways was that every customer has high points and low points in their experience. When we exceed our customers' expectations, we create unforgettable experience peaks or the kind of high points we all love to share. Peak experience differentiate brands in ways that bond the customer to that brand, or in your case, to your brand and to Nu Skin. It's an essential part of building a successful business. To this end, Nu Skin has created an international team specially dedicated to providing you with the resources you need to create peak experience for each of your customers. One of the key programs developed with this goal in mind is Nu Skin Enjoy Rewards. The Enjoy Reward program provides perks to customers at key moments throughout their Nu Skin journeys. It's a powerful tool to help you attract and retain customers because they are rewarded for purchasing products. The more loyalty they show by setting up a monthly recurring order or a subscription, for example, the bigger the rewards. That's why we refer to this program as customers' new best friend. Once you see how excited your customers can be about these extra rewards, you will love the program too. So be sure to learn all about the details and perks available to product consumers on your market's Nu Skin website. Then, as you guide your customer through their different product purchase options, be sure to help them understand the benefits of different levels of Nu Skin Enjoy Rewards. It's a vital program we've developed to support your consumer retention. Now, to tell you more about why customer relationship matters and how you can use these rewards and subscriptions to help to grow your business, we've invited Yumi Toyoma from Japan to tell you about some of their recent experiences.
こんにちは。日本で活動している富山由美と申します。約3年半前に私はニュースキンに出会いました。私たちのグループは20代から40代のニュースキン製品が大好きな主婦が中心となったグループです。 一人でも多くの方にこの素晴らしい製品、そしてビジネスの機会を伝えられるよう日々活動しています。今日はその活動の中から私たちチームの定期購入についての考え方をお話しさせていただきます。まず、定期購入の大きなメリットはもちろん製品がお得に購入できることですが、それ以上に継続して使い続けていただくことでお客様に製品の良さと必要性を確実に伝えることができることだと思っています。私たちのチームではお得に購入できる定期購入を最初の購入からお勧めしています。それによって大好きなニュースキン製品を使い続けていくことでビジネスの可能性にも気づき、それによってビジネスメンバーが増えています。まず自分、そして家族へをキャッチフレーズとして活動しています。まずは自分自身が定期購入を使い続けることで3つのメリットがあります。1つ目はニュースキン製品で理想の自分に近づけること。2つ目はニュースキン製品で変化した自分たちを見て周りの人に何を使ってるのと聞かれることがきっかけとなり、周りの人も製品を使うきっかけとなっていること。そして3つ目は定期購入を使い続けることで大切な家族に製品の良さと会社の良さを理解してもらえること。3つ目の家族に理解してもらうこと。これは日本でビジネスをする上でおいてはとても重要なことなのです。MLM というビジネスシステムをなかなか日本では理解してもらうことができず、トラブルになることも多く、それがきっかけとなって継続できない方がいらっしゃるのも事実だからです。そしてビジネスがスタートすると、私たちのチームではお客様の悩みに合う、そして生活に密着した製品の提案をさせていただいています。各製品の内容を会社の情報をもとにしっかり知っていただき、ご自身で必要に応じて製品を選べるようになるよう細部まで徹底してお伝えしています。それによってお客様ご自身も必要に応じて製品を定期購入してくださっています。厳しい基準、視点から管理された 6S プロセス、それによって守られている製品を使い続けることでさらにそれを向上できると思っています。製品の質に絶対の信頼があるからこそできることなのです。そして継続して製品を使い続けることでビジネスの面で安定した組織構築にもつながります。フォース・フォー・グッドにおいても自然に参加することができ、それが社会貢献活動になっていることを一人一人が意識にしっかり根付いていきます。私の描く理想はニュースキンの製品がおばあちゃんから孫へ、母から子へ、家族代々に伝わる製品になっていくことです。日本の家庭にお醤油があるのが当たり前のように、どこの国にもどこの家庭にもニュースキン製品が当たり前にあることを願っています。そして一緒にビジネスをするメンバーとはただビジネスをするだけのつながりではなく、家族のように一生涯寄り添っていける、そんなグループでありたいと思っています。大好きな製品が定期購入で届くことで、まるで毎月プレゼントがもらえるかのように、大人も子供もワクワクし、喜び、たくさんの笑顔が日常にあふれています。それは本当に何より嬉しいライフイベントにもなっています。I love New Skin. We love New Skin. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。
Isn't that amazing? Thank you for sharing, Yumi. There's never been a better time to connect with customers all over the world. But just as important is the need to be customer obsessed by understanding what your customers need and striving to exceed their expectations. Your effort will be a win for them and a win for your business. Don't forget, 10 active customers, product subscriptions, enjoy rewards, and peak experiences. Follow these tips and you'll be amazed at your business. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Empower You.